Welcome to the world of Yamaha MT-15, where bold innovation meets breathtaking design, and engineering excellence blends seamlessly with a thrilling riding experience. The Yamaha MT-15 is not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of power, precision, and sophistication. Built for those who crave excitement and demand style, this machine stands out as a true masterpiece of performance and aesthetics. Every element of the Yamaha MT-15 has been meticulously designed, making it a perfect choice for riders who refuse to compromise. From the moment you set your eyes on the Yamaha MT-15, its dynamic and aggressive design captivates your imagination. Inspired by Yamaha's dark side of Japan design philosophy, the MT-15 exudes a fierce and futuristic presence that commands attention. Its bold contours, sharp lines, and sculpted bodywork create an aura of power and speed. The LED headlamps with their sharp, predatory gaze are a testament to Yamaha's commitment to innovation and detail. This is not just a bike, it's a statement of individuality and freedom. The heart of the Yamaha MT-15 lies in its powerful 155cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, equipped with Yamaha's revolutionary variable valve actuation (VVA) technology. This advanced system ensures smooth power delivery across the entire rev range, providing superior performance and excellent fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising through urban streets or accelerating on open highways, the MT-15 delivers a seamless and exhilarating ride. Its 6-speed gearbox, optimized for precision and control, enhances the overall riding experience, giving you the confidence to push boundaries. What truly sets the Yamaha MT-15 apart is its lightweight Delta box frame, designed to offer exceptional handling and stability. This frame, combined with the bike's compact dimensions, ensures agility and responsiveness, making it perfect for navigating busy city streets or tackling tight corners. The telescopic front forks and rear mono-shock suspension provide a comfortable and controlled ride, even on uneven surfaces. With the Yamaha MT-15, every journey becomes an opportunity to explore and conquer. Safety is paramount in the Yamaha MT-15, and the bike is equipped with cutting-edge features to ensure maximum control and confidence on the road. The front and rear disc brakes, paired with advanced ABS technology, deliver precise stopping power, even in challenging conditions. The wide tires offer superior grip, providing stability and traction on various surfaces. Whether you're riding in wet weather or dry conditions, the MT-15 keeps you firmly in control. Step into a world of luxury and sophistication as you witness the Yamaha MT-15 showcased in a state-of-the-art showroom. The setting is nothing short of breathtaking, with polished marble floors reflecting the bike's sleek contours and ambient lighting highlighting every detail of its design. The Yamaha MT-15 takes center stage, displayed like a piece of modern art. Behind it, bold and illuminated text proudly proclaims its name, adding to the sense of exclusivity and elegance. This is more than a showroom, it's an experience that elevates your appreciation of the MT-15's beauty and craftsmanship. The Yamaha MT-15 isn't just about performance and aesthetics, it's also about creating a connection between rider and machine. The advanced digital instrument cluster provides all the information you need at a glance, from speed and gear position to fuel consumption and trip details. The ergonomic design ensures that every ride is comfortable and intuitive, allowing you to focus on the joy of riding. The MT-15's sporty seating position, coupled with its wide handlebars, offers the perfect balance of comfort and control, whether you're navigating city traffic or embarking on long journeys. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Yamaha MT-15 is its ability to inspire confidence in every rider. Its robust performance, coupled with its user-friendly features, makes it accessible to both experienced riders and those new to the world of motorcycling. The MT-15 is a bike that grows with you, encouraging you to push your limits and explore new horizons. It's a companion that transforms ordinary commutes into extraordinary adventures, turning every mile into a story worth telling. The Yamaha MT-15 is also a testament to Yamaha's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. The engine is designed to meet strict emission standards, ensuring that you can enjoy its performance while minimizing your environmental impact. This dedication to innovation and sustainability reflects Yamaha's vision for the future of motorcycling, where performance and responsibility go hand in hand. Imagine the thrill of starting the Yamaha MT-15's engine and feeling the surge of power as it roars to life. The sound of the exhaust, deep and resonant, echoes the spirit of adventure that defines this bike. With every twist of the throttle, the MT-15 responds with precision and enthusiasm, delivering a riding experience that's both exhilarating and unforgettable. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising along scenic highways, the Yamaha MT-15 ensures that every moment is filled with excitement and joy. The Yamaha MT-15 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle. It's for those who dare to stand out, who seek adventure, and who value the perfect balance of performance, style, and innovation. With its bold design, advanced technology, and unparalleled performance, the MT-15 redefines what it means to ride. It's a bike that inspires confidence, ignites passion, and embodies the spirit of freedom. In conclusion, the Yamaha MT-15 is a masterpiece of modern engineering and design. It's a bike that challenges conventions, sets new standards, and creates unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, the MT-15 offers something for everyone. It's a machine that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary, turning every ride into a celebration of life and adventure. Yamaha MT-15, redefining the way you ride, where every journey becomes a story, and every mile is a memory. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.